India is a developing country, and it is rapidly progressing. But along with this progress, something else is also increasing: exploitation, unnecessary fines, and bribes. A significant number of people lack basic legal knowledge. Even if someone wants to understand, their busy schedule makes it almost impossible, since legal language is complex, written in difficult terms, and scattered across many government portals, making it hard for citizens to quickly verify what the law actually means. But not anymore. That's where our app, Know the Law, comes in. This app will be fully government authorized, ensuring the information is accurate and up-to-date. It provides clear, concise explanations of various laws, their conditions, and their implications. Most importantly, it is designed for the common citizen: simple, reliable, and easy to use. All you need to do is type in a keyword or a question, like stamp paper or child scholarship, and the app will provide a brief summary of the relevant law, the conditions under which it applies, and a simple example. We provide features like searchable legal sections with simple one-line explanations, multilingual support, voice search and voice typing for easy access, an AI-powered chatbot that explains laws in context, direct links to official BEAR acts and amendments, and even region-specific legal advice. That's how our app empowers every citizen with easy, reliable legal knowledge. Stay informed, know your rights, and make sure the law works for you.